What do you imagine when you think of Sweden? Lakes, small islands, red cottages, or the dense forest adjacent to the city life. If I say you can get all of this in just one county, let's join the virtual tour with us to the county which is called the miniature of Sweden, Dalarna. So, before starting the trip, subscribe the channel and let's get started. We have started our journey from Stockholm towards Dalarna. It is around 4 hours drive, but before reaching Dalarna, we will visit the world's largest Dala horse. In Stockholm, public transport is very convenient, but I will suggest you to take the private vehicle so that you can enjoy the nature and stop at any point on the way to Dalarna. Weather is not that good today. It is foggy and rainy as well. But after the heavy rain, we get to see the sun again to enjoy the road trip. Now I am standing beside the world's largest Dala horse. You have probably seen them on internet in the pictures related to Sweden. Originally, Dala horses were made as toys for children to play with. They were produced in Dalarna region in the central Sweden in small villages where people lived surrounded by forest. This is where the name stems from. Do you know how the attention came? The global attention did not come until the 20th century in the World's Fair in New York 1939, where the Dala horses represented Sweden. After that, Dala horses were seen as symbol of Sweden and mass production of the horses started. Since then, Dala horses have been popular souvenirs and inspired by other products as well. Now, before heading off for the waterfall, we are having some food. The Styggforsen waterfall is one of Dalarna's most beautiful places to visit. In addition to interesting geology, there are also beautiful views, exciting plants, and a high waterfall, all embedded in magical and mysterious forest. From easily accessible car park, a 750-meter long walking loop runs around the area with barbecue area and benches. Half the route is accessible for prams. In some places, the trail is steep, but there are stairs and handrail to help. The stairs can be slippery in the rain, so be careful. And here comes the view of the waterfall. Now we are standing just beside the waterfall. Now we will go to the next spot, but before that, let's have a quick look of the waterfall with the forest. Now we are going to visit Hambik's Garden. It is an open-air museum that really gives you a sense of what the old Dalarna looked and felt like. Entrance is free. You can see some explanations at the buildings and nice view over the lake. Toilet is nearby the church, and yes, it has a very big parking space as well. You won't believe that some of these houses are 400 years old, but they are really well maintained and looks like new. The house which you can see now, this was built on 16th century and it was relocated from Prosgadi. Now we are going to Soleran Island, which is located about 15 kilometers south of Mora. There is hardly anything more Swedish than red cottages with white windows. The red color, known as Falu red, originated from mines at Falun in Dalarna. I have seen many red cottages in Sweden, but never got a chance to stay in it. Today we are going to stay in one of the red cottages, that too beside the lake. Now we are entering the cottage. The cottage is very beautiful. It's completely made of wood. It has complete kitchen setup with lot of utensils as well. It has a refrigerator as well. It has an AC which also works as an heater. You just need to select the proper mode. Now coming to the bed, you can see it's a double bed bunk bed where all total 4 people can sleep. Two people in the upper bunk and 2 people in the lower bunk. I highly recommend this cottage, not just because of the amenities, but also for the nice view from the cottage. And it is just 2-minute walk from the lake. You can find the link to book this cottage in the description. Now we are going to roam around the area and visit the lake. It is now 8 o'clock in the evening and almost time for sunset. If you are visiting this place, I would highly recommend you not to miss the sunset from this spot. Now let's fly the drone and enjoy the bird's view of Dalarna. next day, I woke up early and started my day by washing my face in the lake and spent some time with the nature. Trust me, it was very pure and heavenly experience. I can see not only cottages but also lots of caravans are parked here. This is basically a caravan club where you can park your caravan and stay overnight. You can see it's almost 200 caravans are parked here. After enjoying the morning tea in the balcony, now we will start our journey towards our home. I hope you enjoyed this trip. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to get more such videos. If you want to know anything about Dalarna, write it in the comment section. I will definitely try to give you the information as soon as possible. So, bye bye for today.